hear me or not. I hope so. But did you kill it? Ew. Gross. I brought some hand sanitizer. Okay, y'all. So I am going to get our food ready and prepped. We're gonna have steak, and I got some potatoes already cut up. We're gonna cook those in some foil with some butter. And I'm gonna turn on the light so that y'all can see me.
I'm gonna put it there.
Come on, baby. Is that something else?
I don't know what that is.
Let me see. Come here. Don't drop it.
Yeah, chicken.
How do you know? You already smushed it.
I know what a tick feels like.
Oh. Okay. Getting dark. That's why I was like, oh yeah, let's go ahead and at least get it done. I don't know why I'm so like, I don't know.
You didn't say no words.
Happy? That's pretty cool.
It's cool being outside.
Yeah, just being outside. Doing something different.
Not being in the office.
Okay, this is turkey bacon. I just need to put it back in the refrigerator.
Oh, I was like, put that on the grill.
I said, oop, that's not closed. All right, and we got foil, our pan. Let's get our food. Bring y'all over here. Vegetables and our potatoes. Alright, y'all. Butter. I got some potatoes. I hope y'all can see that I already pre-chopped. We got our foil. I have, of course, mixed vegetables from the garden. Okay, because of course, right? And then we end up getting, let me see if y'all can see, some steaks from Pruitt's Grocery. We're gonna season those up on this foil and let's get everything cooked. Baby, Tiffany gave us seasoning. Like I was told, I was like, I got some seasoning. I know, but I got some steak seasoning. I was like, all right.
They do say buttery steak out there.
Yeah. All right, baby. So, yeah, good night. Put that on.
You drop the potatoes on first in the butter? Or?
Yeah, I was just getting ready to put this on here. And then we're gonna make like some little, okay, then the salt and pepper is in this one.
You don't need a double, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit on the
veggies?
Yeah. Hey y'all, seasonings for our potatoes. I hope y'all can hear me. A little bit of salt. You good? I said you good? There you go. Just because we outside, don't mean we don't need no seasoning. A little salt and pepper, a little all-purpose. Out here with the bugs. My husband, no, I don't do bugs, but we out here. Let's see.